Alright guys, welcome back to another amazing mail day with Goated Balls! This waiting here for like, I think over 10 days now, and we gotta open some packages. We got a lot of stuff to get through. So probably over $100,000, I don't know, something like that. Let's just dive right in. Alright, first package. We're gonna have so much trash, bro. We have no space in this. Show them the office. Show them this trash. I mean, it's not trash, it's inventory, but the reason we have all this stuff here is because we're streaming on Whatnot, and we have Milky Wheels on Whatnot, on top of Milky Bags on TikTok. Everything's Milky here around the Milkman's headquarters. First slab is, wow, a PSA 9 Van Gogh Pikachu. What is this? Card Link. I think I bought some or Whatnot videos. I think there's a Latias for it too. Oh yeah, thought it was cool. I don't know why I bought it. I was just bored. This is from Omade. Ooh, Japanese Misty. Pretty cool card. CP6. You don't see that often. I think it's like 800 bucks or something like that. I don't even know what I'm looking at, dude. How are you doing? How are you guys doing? I'm doing good. Here's a f***ing Celebi. Oh, here's a Celebi. PSA 10. What is, oh, 2 peanuts. You see that? 2 peanuts. Creative. Creative packaging. Nice. Who doesn't love some peanuts? Inside a box, inside a bubble mailer. For 1 slab, 2 peanuts. You ever heard that video? 1 slab, 2 peanuts? Or 2 peanuts, 1 slab? Anyways, we got a beautiful Houndoom PSA 10 with crazy texture. Holy shit, start to a video. I think there's Pokemon cards in here. Love me some rubber bands. Don't ask what I do with my rubber bands. Wow, look. Rubber bands around the bubble, and then more rubber bands around the slab protector. Wow. Wow. 8 rubber bands, 1 Gengar VMAX. I love watching you guys, your packaging is very interesting. 8 rubber bands for 1 Gengar VMAX. That's dope. 2 peanuts, 1 slab. 8 rubber bands, 1 slab. Let's see what else. Can we get like 13 peanuts for 1 slab? Brett. What do we have here? I didn't know eBay tape existed. Did you know that? I guess I'm getting old. I don't know about that stuff anymore. Wow. Holy. Holy. Ready? What the hell? Wow, Leafeon, Alakazam. I literally ran this last night in a Milky Bag round. Gengar and Charizard. Wow, such great variety. By the way, if you are enjoying the videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate your guys' support. This one is from Mr. Sports Card Plaza. Ow, I almost hurt myself. Holy. This is how we like it though. It's S tier, look, nothing damaged. Just a little bubble wrap. Boom, that's all you need. You don't need 40 peanuts for 1 slab. That's all you need. Efficiency at its finest. Watch them all be cracked. All right, what do we got? We got, oh. It's cracked.
Is it actually?
Yeah. Oh. Well, spoke too soon. We'll just message him. We'll take care of this. I was like, wow, you don't need all these peanuts. Look at that. 2nd slab is already cracked. Anyways, Rainbow Charizard. Blastoise. All right, we got a Terrapagos. Here, zoom in. We got Japanese Zard, Blaine Zardy. Holy, we got a Flareon. We got a Hidden Fate Zardy boy. We got a beautiful Lana's Aid. Look at the aid for Lana. This is a really cool card. Pokemon Center Lady. Infinity Zone Booster Box promo. Iron Crown. Look how beautiful those Japanese cherry blossoms are on this beautiful card. Oh, we got tag teams. I heard tag teams are in. Let's see what's in, chat. Solgaleo Lunala. Beautiful Groudons. 2 of them. Oh, I actually like this card a lot. Beautiful Dark Ampharos. Alakazam, Machamp. Shining Mewtwo in a 9 is crazy work. Woo-lee! Holy, look at that swirl on that Blaine's Charizard. Holy. Oh my God, speaking of swirls, look at that. Oh my God, look at that. Banger. Houndoom with a swirl. Holy. Tom. What have you got for me, Tom? Bubble Mew, Charizard, and Lily. Full force. Nice. This is so much fun. I think this is by Daisuke. Oh, I think I cooked him on this one. I think I cooked Daisuke on this one. He usually likes to cook me. I cooked him. We got 2 Japanese Latios PSA 9s, but then watch this. Ready? These are the Chinese Pikachus. We love these beautiful Chinese exclusive Pika. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ooh, holy 15 Chinese exclusive Pikachus. We cooked them because literally the next day after I bought these, bro, these went up by like $300. Thank you for that beautiful 70% deal, brother. I appreciate you. It's not my fault everything I buy goes up. All right, Mr. Cheese. Cheese's Treasures. Shout out Cheese. I learned about this gentleman from Cool Trainer Ryan, but he has some really cool mystery boxes, and I bought a bunch from his whatnot, actually. And we got some really solid packs. Let me show you guys what we got. Holy, look, Cheese's Treasures, check them out. We got really nice mystery boxes. I think he threw in some singles for me or something. I don't think unless they were like separate, or were these part of the mystery box? I forget. Oh, these were part of the mystery box that I hit. So this Porygon promo, Blastoise, Palafin, and Quaquavel. What is this? Oh, no shit. What is that, a fun pack, Twilight? I thought it was Celebrations at first. Cause like, you know, it's like thin. Let me show you guys the actual stuff we got. Wow, he got stickers too. Look at that. Gengar VMAX stickers, that's cool. All right, check it out. This is what I got from one of his mystery boxes. And the Blastoise from 151 was in there too. Journey Together, Temporal Forces, Scarlet Violet, Astral Radiance, Ultra Prism, and Lost Thunder. Cool packs, good variety. Journey Together, Obsidian Flames, Astral Radiance, Battle Styles, Ultra Prism, and Lost Thunder again. Journey Together, Stellar Crown, Scarlet Violet, Silver Tempest, Ultra Prism, and Hidden Fates. So really cool variety. Anywhere from Scarlet Violet up to, I think even XY you can hit. Journey Together, Twilight Masquerade, all solid sets. Temporal Forces, Astral Radiance, Unbroken Bond, that's a banger set. Booster boxes are like $2.5 grand. And Hidden Fates, so. Shout out Mr. Cheese. This is Famous Trader. Shout out Famous Trader. We got Armarouge, Phoebus, Pidgeot, Gyarados. That's a cool card. Zacian, Snorlax, Moltres, Zeraora. Solid singles. Zeraora PSA 10 from Chilling Rain. Beautiful card. Wow, Rayquaza V. These are solid cards. We got Mewtwo. We got Raging Bolt, Umbreon VMAX. We'll probably just put these in our vendor display case. Garchomp, Zeraora, Squirtle, Bulbasaur, Suicune, Charmeleon, and Tauros. Solid cards for sure. Got a Koraidon, Zekrom, Ogerpons, Pikachus, Articuno, Caterpie, Mewtwo, and Samurai. Oh, this is a big one. This is from Mr. Kibby. Poncho, 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 and Poncho. All right, so we got 2 Flareon 10s. Wait, an Umbreon 10. 2 Espeon 10s, a Sylveon and a 9, Jolteon and a 9, Vaporeon and a 9, a Leafeon and a 10, 2 Jolteons and a 10. Wait, there's 3 Espeon 10s. And 1, 2, 3, 4 Glaceon 10s. So, we got some Poncho Evolutions. Peter, what do we got in here? Beautiful floors. Chi-Yu, Magneton, Magikarp, oh, that's a big card. Even in a 9. Arceus 10, nice. Zard in a 10, these are good cards. Blaziken, I like this card.
I've never seen that card in my
Really? The full art?
It's beautiful. It's a non-hollow.
It's a common Umbreon. I'm pretty sure it's still like $50. It's a PSA 10 Umbreon, bro. The market is what the market is, right? Rainbow Charizard. Beautiful. Zapdos. Oh, I love this card. Gold Mew. Mewtwo. Zard. Ooh, beautiful whatnot card. Beautiful. This is from Mr. Marcucci. Check him out, Marcucci Collects on Instagram. He's an expert grader. Hence all these PSA slabs. Holy! Love that card. That's actually a beautiful card. Tatsugiri Master Ball. Beautiful Lottie. Well, this is a good card. Oh, that's cute. Apom. 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 How many Apoms? Ooh, Tyranitar's good. That's a good card. Larvitar's good. I like these Larvitars. I'm a huge fan of the Scizor as well. Iono's Wattrel. Wailord. Oh, that's a cool card. Reshiram. That's nice. Kevin Durant. Milotic. Cerulege. And Sandy Shocks. We got Roaring Moons. Salamence. Love that card too. Wow, that's a lot of Salamances. Holy shit. We got a tag team. Venusaur and Snivy. Tatsugiri. Tatsugiri in a 9? Are these 10s? The English ones are probably expensive in 10s. 9s. Mew. Golden Mew. Mew. Or what the f saying? Tatsugiri Japanese. Holy shit. These are all Japanese Tatsugiris. You guys want some sushi? This is from Mr. Ray. He's in my TikTok chat a lot. And we bought some slabs from him, and he also said he sent me some extra goodies. So let's see what we got in there. All right, this is not the last package. We got one more little package too. We got a Bulbasaur rug. Oh, he's in my bathroom or something. Thank you, bro. That's sick. Is that the eye? Where's the eye?
The eye's right here. Do not know pixel art. That's his feet. And that's the plant part.
Okay, it makes sense, I guess. Oh, I think he made some shirts for me too, bro. Holy shit. Because he has like an embroidery thing. I got he made me a Mew tank top. Mew's my favorite Pokemon. So I got a Mew tank top. I think this is for Josh. For Yamaka. He likes Labubu. That's crazy. Labubu tank top is crazy, dude. All right, well, let me show you guys. All right, this is his stuff, his info. Check it out. 1,000 threads. If you guys want to check him out, Ray Ramos. He sold me his slabs too. Got some banger slabs in here too. He's been watching my stream for like 2 years, I think. We have an English Pikachu 10. English Tangela. Is it Tangela or Tangela?
Tangela.
Yeah, right. You guys let me know. Comment down below. Tangela or Tangela? We got a Dragonair. Ooh, that's a big, big card. Mega Rayquaza. PSA from Ancient Origins. Goated Bulls. Raichu Tag Team. Alakazam. Giratina. Nidoking. And Psyduck. Pissy Duck. Oh man. All right. Final package is from Mr. Gravy Design Company. We needed a little, like a smaller little thing for when we vend, because I don't want to take a huge thing if I go to smaller shows. Banner, sure. Yes. Sorry, my English. Sorry, English is my first language. Please don't make fun of me. Ooh, so long and thick.
Cut that out.
Wow. Goated. Goated. Stuck. Am I doing this right? How's it look? Scan the QR code for my link tree. Oh. Guys, by the way, don't forget, you can sell me your collections. Email us collections@goatedpulls.com. Send us a photo of what you have when you buy sealed, slabs, and singles. And if you can, send us a PDF as well of what the stuff's worth and quantities. And we'll get back to you in approximately 48 hours or less, and we will cash you out once it arrives at our doorstep. And you'll be in the mail day video too. Woo!